Hey sweeties! Earlier ng araw na to, after prepping kuya for school, inihatid ko muna siya. Okay, bye-bye! Eto nakasalubungan namin yung kaibigan niya na classmate niya din. Tuwing ihatid ko si kuya, iniintay ko siya dito sa hagdan ng overpass. Tanaw kasi dito yung room niya. Pagkatapos naman namin magpaalaman ulit, saka na ako dediretso pa uwi. Ito rin ang first day of school ni Ari.
Don't talk about Bruno. Go to school. Go to...
Are you excited?
Yes.
Excited ka mo?
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Are you happy?
Yes.
To behave well, be nice to the teacher and
Hey.
classmates. Always say po and opo. And follow the instructions and the rules, okay? Okay, good luck. I love
Good
you.
luck.
I love you so much. Ay, remember, don't go outside the classroom, okay? Huh?
When I'm done.
Yeah, you will wait for me, okay? I will pick you up. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yun na. Oh, walang... Oh, ba, ang pugi. Wait nga. Wow na. Mali naman, that's your talent. You go to school! First day of school ni Ari!
Hooray!
Sa daycare muna siya papasok. Sayang nga, dapat sa kinder na sana. Dahil magpo-5 naman na. Kaso, kailangan pala by October ay 5 years old na. Pero hindi siya abot. So, yun. Daycare daw muna.
Bye-bye. Lolo! Lolo! Bye-bye, I'm going to school na!
Nandun.
Lolo! Bye-bye!
Good luck your first day.
Hindi naman ako nakaramdam ng kaba or pagkahabag kasi feel ko naman na excited talaga si Ari. Go!
Next time alone in school.
Good luck. Bye-bye. I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, may lipstick.
Ciao.
Bye-bye. Good luck. Okay? Okay? Okay. Bingid ha. Love you. I love you mo. Yan, ganyan si Ari. Tatay tahimik sa umpisa, mangangapa, tapos pag nakabelo na, yan, dadaldal na yan. Ang sinasabi sa akin dyan ni Ari, you can go na, mami. Diyos ko dahil, pinalayas na ako. Lalaki po.
What is your name? How old are you? Something more. Where's your mom? Anong name ba? Ano ba ano nito? Wow, palakpakan natin si
Yay!
Ayan si Kyler.
I will go na. Ari.
Bibigyan si Mami.
Bumalik ako. Bumalik. Yeah, later. You wait.
Then lay down on your lap. Grip them, then way up to your cheeks. Open wide, keep them wide. Do not let me in. Open shut, then through your shoulder high. Let them fly, keep them bird, up in the sky. Hold them, take them to the ground. With spirit, up again, around and around. Faster! Slower. Loud. Okay, going now. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. See you all tomorrow. See you all tomorrow. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Pagkapaalam namin, nung kami naglalakad pa uwi na, sabi ni Ari, dumaan daw kami sa Southern. At ang magaling, ayan, nagpabili siya ng ice cream. Maalam din. What can you say about school? How is it? How is school? Nice. Ang galing mo talaga. You're so behave. Tsaka pinapaalis mo na ako. Ay! Ang galing mo. Tomorrow again, ha? Okay? Is that your reward for being very good? Are you happy sa school? Yay! Tomorrow again! Tomorrow again? Kinahapon na naman, sinundo ko naman si Kuya sa school. Mas worried pa nga sa akin si Kuya kaninang umaga kasi alam niya na first day na ni Ari. Lagi niya sinasabi sa akin, Mami, sabihin mo sa akin kapag umiyak si Ari ha. Mami, sabihin mo kay Ari, wag umiyak ha. Tapos before noon, mga ilang days before ng first day ng school, lagi sinasabihan ni Gray, Ari, makikinig kay teacher ha. Ari, wag kang iiyak ha. Ayun lang for this vlog, share ko lang kung ano nangyari sa first day of school ni Ari because as you know, this serves as my diary.